In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Clipboard in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if a website is asking for Clipboard access and nothing seems to be happening, or if you need to allow a site to read or use your Clipboard for copy and paste features. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, click on Settings. This will open the main Edge settings page where you can control privacy, permissions, and site access. Now on the left side, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains a lot of browser security and browsing controls, so take your time and make sure you're in the right place. Next, scroll down and look for Site Permissions. Click that option to open the list of permissions that websites can request, such as camera, microphone, location, and clipboard. Once you're inside Site Permissions, select All Permissions. This gives you the full list of available permission categories in Edge. Now scroll through until you find Clipboard and click on it. Here you'll see the Clipboard permission settings for websites. All you need to do now is toggle it on. Turning this on allows supported websites to request Clipboard access when needed. If you were trying to get copy and paste features working on a site, this is usually the setting that makes the difference. After enabling it, you can go back and refresh the web page you were using so the new permission takes effect. In some cases, the site may ask again for permission and you can now allow it. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Clipboard access in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and now you're ready to use websites that need Clipboard permissions. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides.